Hello? Is this thing on? Wow, right on. What's going on, everyone? Austin Hargett here, aka Dr. Welds, certified pipe welder, welding educator, CWI, all the above. You'll find me on TikTok, you'll find me on Instagram, but if you haven't been able to contact me on any of those, that's because I'm playing around on the Weld app, because we're building the biggest, the baddest, the best welding community on that platform for welders by welders. You gotta check it out. Wait, you haven't heard of the Weld app? Man, let me show you this thing. The first thing you want to do is open this old dog up and see the W's right there. Now you can see that this is kind of a feed of your typical Instagram or your Facebook, one platform for welders by welders. And as you can see, as we start scrolling down here, there's just people in the app that are just genuinely showing off or asking questions, like this man here who has genuinely been out of the trade for a while, and he's asking some questions. You can pull up photos, get a better look at what they're up to. Whether they're just posting cool pictures or posting cool videos or simply just asking questions to reach out to the people in the welding community, you have that opportunity. You also see manufacturers in here with all their new tools and equipment coming by. And again, this is just a great place for welders to come in and network and ask questions in a safe place. It's all about who you know, and it really is. So the more people that you're able to meet in here, whether they're other welders or manufacturers or students, teachers, whoever it may be, you never know when that they can help you. You can come in, you can post pictures, you can ask questions, you can comment, you can like, you can follow people, just like any other feed. One other thing we have in here is we have all those videos that you love on Weld.com for the past decade. We've broken them down into different segments so that you're able to pick and choose what you'd like to see. All these videos that you see in here are free videos. You can come in here and educate yourself and learn, but when you see that gold crown, you know that that's going to be premium content. And we've got a lot of premium content in the app. Not only do you see these videos right now, but you'll also see a bunch more premium content in the app coming further when we build our own curriculum. We're going to build our own school in this app. And really what sets these videos apart from just simply watching a YouTube video is we actually take these videos and we break them down into lessons. So you don't have to watch the whole thing if you don't want. If you need to learn one bit of information, you can click on it and it'll actually take you to the minute mark in that app where that instructor is talking about that subject in the video. We also have tons of resources attached to each video. So if you want to learn about welding machine that the instructor is using, or you want to learn what welding wire that instructor is using, or maybe you just consume your content better by just simply reading PDFs. And if you still haven't figured it out, you can click on the instructor's name and get in contact with them right away, right from the jump. You can message the person that did the video, ask them questions directly, as well as having job boards in the app. So you can come in here, whether you're a welder looking for work, or maybe you're a welder who's looking into getting into field sales for one of these big welding companies out there. We have that opportunity in the app, and it's constantly growing. It's constantly changing. We also have information in the backside of this app where you can get connected with our podcasts. You can tune into our podcast, follow the podcast, and check all that out. We also have our swag shop on the app as well. One thing that's really cool is we revamped this whole swag shop. We've got new logos, new designs, new things in the app that you can check out. We're really trying to upgrade the whole Weld.com face and change things from what it used to be to a whole new style, a whole new edgy look with a community of welders in one location. We've got a lot of cool things like this Argon Addict shirt with the front of it that says Weld and the back of it with some cool new designs by some cool people. The app is a great way to get connected with all the types of people in the industry, whether you're an instructor, whether you're a student, whether you're a welder looking to brush up on something, or you just want to get in here and talk to other like-minded people in the industry. It really is the best thing for welders. You can follow people, you can message people directly. It is the next best thing for welders to keep in their pocket. What you see in here today is not what you'll see tomorrow. It's growing, it's gonna change, it's gonna be the best thing for welders in the industry to keep on them at all times.